Hey guys, spooky little John here. We are back with another unboxing video from Spirit Halloween for the Crackles animatronic. We finally, we got him. So I'm gonna put up a chair so we can read, guys.
This is what he wanted. He's gonna be miserable about the other ones. Yes.
Let's unbox the Crackles, guys.
Are you gonna arguing and yelling up here if I go down?
No.
Okay, guys.
Am I helping you, or are you doing it because you asked for help?
You're helping me. Okay, guys. Guys, I gotta go get the scissors. No, I'm good. No, I'm good, Dada. Okay, guys. We gotta get this guy out.
Yeah,
He's
I might need
huge.
you to pull the box. No, the scissors down.
I'm holding it.
Perfect.
What's that noise?
Pull that again, John. Pull it again.
Hold on, I'm going to tell you that so he doesn't destroy it.
He's gonna.
Okay, guys. And holding it. That was the weirdest sound ever. I'm gonna use crackers this time.
No, let's try to keep him in there when we take him apart.
We're not taking them apart. We're just gonna leave them in the garage.
Teddy bear.
Okay, guys. So I'm assuming this is a piece of his arm.
Oh, don't.
We got these.
Where are the instructions?
They're in here.
John, let's find the instructions first. We can get an overview
I
of
have
what
to.
has to be done.
These are both connected to each other, so
Wait. Here, take this out. Take this out.
the stakes.
This probably has to come out first. Oh, wait a second. Wait, buddy. Let's just get the instructions so we can get a sense of what we have to do before you start taking parts out.
Follow the steps. Having broke somebody's arm.
John. Please.
I'm just trying to help.
I know, but I'm trying to tell you to wait until we look at the instructions.
But we could get this whole plug out now.
But let's just see what we need first. Teddy gets in here and starts ripping stuff.
Just go step by step. That's the best way to do it.
Okay, we got the hands out, guys. Next, we're gonna get the shoes out.
Alright, we need
The,
a shoe.
What are those?
A shoe that's labeled B.
B.
And a pole that's, a shoe that's labeled H, and a pole that's labeled B.
I think this is H.
And a pole that's labeled B.
A pole labeled B. Wait, what about the base?
No, I don't need that yet.
Okay, I'm looking.
Starting with what I need.
Here's, I don't see any poles. It's labeled B.
H.
Oh, I found the poles, guys. We got the poles.
Okay.
That has to
Is this a
be
B in?
Jesus. Wait, I see one that's labeled B. It's this one. Can I put it in
Yeah,
there?
but look at the
My
picture.
animatronic?
I know, but wait. There's a direction it goes. Wait.
Okay, guys.
Ready?
Those
Okay.
Okay.
This part's at the top. This. Okay, now we need the base.
The base. Ouch.
Yes, I know, John.
Oh wait, Mom, this whole thing's connected. Okay, I'm gonna have to
Just pull. It should pull out.
the base.
No, hold on. This box should.
Stupid me.
No, that's okay.
Okay, we're gonna
Okay.
take this part out so we could get the
Move
base.
the box. Take that other box out.
Okay, guys. That thing came out too. Okay, guys. We got this base is huge,
Yes, I
guys.
know. This is a big animatronic. Okay.
We got this base, guys. Can I connect it?
Okay, wait. Let's make sure it's facing the right way.
I
Wait.
think so.
Hold on. Wait, it's got to turn this way. Watch out. Wait, is
Okay.
that right? Wait. Hold on. No, wait. I'm still not. Yeah.
It goes like.
No, wait. No, wait. Come on. Wait. The base has to be facing the right way. Just wait a second while I try to understand it in the picture. Back. It's gotta be like this. I think it's like this. Wait a minute. Hold on. Front. Okay, it's like this. Okay. So now you put it on this one.
This one to here.
And then face
Where's
the
the
shoe.
foot go?
The foot goes forward.
Like this.
Hold on.
It's,
Yeah.
how is that even possible? It's
There
sideways.
you go.
It's sideways, right?
Okay. Other one. Now let's get the other pole.
Oh,
That's like a knee bend.
wait.
Other shoe.
Wait, I want to try the other. I will try to connect the pole now.
This way. Now you gotta press the button down. Once it gets close, press it in. Now you gotta hold it and push. Move your finger.
Okay.
It'll slide over it. Oh, sorry. Move. Now press. Okay.
Okay. We got the legs in, guys.
Okay. The two slide the foam tubes with the.
These are them?
Yeah. No. The ones there. With the holes in them.
Okay.
Ensure the jointed part of the foam tubes faces the back of the prop. So I think that this is the back.
Mommy, look at me. Oh, Teddy,
Yeah.
how'd you get a peach stick?
Give me the other one.
Cause I want.
Put it on.
Wait, the hose go in the back?
Hole goes in the back.
Oh, I'm doing it. Okay. We got the guy.
Now I need the pants.
The pants, hold on. I want to connect the pants. I'm just putting it there. It's almost as big as me. The pants you need?
Yeah, the striped pants.
I think this is the pants in there.
Okay. So it should be labeled P.
P?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Is this the pants?
No, that's the top, and the pants should be folded underneath. Watch that.
This is all I.
Watch him, John. He's taking you stuff.
Teddy, no! That's what I found in that there. Okay, guys. My mom got the
Pull that
pants.
down. You want to do the other one?
I wasn't expecting to buy crackers. It's better to have the dog over there than with me. Okay, guys, we got his pants on.
Okay. Now we need the big part.
The
This.
big part. Wait.
Connect
this-
the body figure part D to the left and right leg with poles B and C using the available quick connect push button and pre-drill tool. Which way?
Wait, we have to take these things off first.
Question is, which this looks like it goes like this.
Yeah. It does.
Pull the pants down. Watch
Yes.
Teddy. Teddy bear.
Teddy! No. I love you, but you can't undo that. You have to go there. Oh my gosh! Look how close he is to the ceiling! Mommy, look how close he is to the ceiling. You guys can barely see Crackles now.
Alright.
Now what?
Okay, to remove the PVC cover, slide a zip tie down and pull out the
Go you
cover.
have, Teddy. or something? Wait, what do we need
We
next?
gotta take off this thing.
What do we need next, though?
It's saying to take this off, but I can't slide it down.
I could get it.
Remove the plastic
We have
cover.
scissors.
Alright, yeah, give me the scissors.
Can I try?
Just be careful, you don't wanna hurt yourself.
You try. Oh, it's coming. Is that plastic?
Yeah, this comes off.
Okay, we're gonna use this as a phone case. It's a phone case, Mom. Mom, it's a mini phone case. No. Okay. Don't fool around. That could go in crackles.
Choose to use the step
We're gonna
activation
put that in
pad.
crackles as well.
Plug in the adapter to the function control box.
Wait, connect what?
Hold on. Plug in the adapter.
What's the adapter? Is it tiny?
Is it this way? No. It's to the function.
This is the
control box.
sensor.
Is there anything else in the box?
In the mini one?
No. And yeah, like that might be
Is
the
this
adapter. Yes, I need that.
Okay. The plug is in this
Yeah,
box.
that's what I mean.
The plug's the adapter.
Yeah.
Nothing else in that box?
Plug the adapter into the function control box and twist the cap. Plug in the step head optional into the. Okay.
Let's go smooth. This way. Oh, yay. The phone bounces high and high. Okay, guys.
Right.
Do
Next
you
we
want to see
need.
it? The head reveal for crackles. Dun, 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 dun. Here. We're gonna take his head out.
Next. Okay.
There's tape on
Pull
him,
the pants up.
so we gotta take the tape off. Tuggy, no, you can't have crackles. I can books. Tuggy, you
All right. We
can't.
need the shirt.
Mom, I'm getting the head ready.
Open the.
Okay.
Open the back of the shirt and wear it.
Mom, are the parts to connect by the sensor or whatever thingy are on the head?
Alright, I don't know yet what we're doing.
Tuggy, you can't have crackles for the 100th time. Sorry guys about my dog. Tuggy's trying to eat crackles' head. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at you. Wait, his head busts. I can see his demon head kinda, guys. But I'm not gonna spoil yet. His head's actually pretty heavy, guys.
Slide the left arm part J.
Oh, wait, can I do it?
Okay.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
But I'm just putting crackles.
Wait.
Where's his head supposed to go?
Alright, slide the left arm up the
The
sleeve of
adapter.
the left sleeve
Taggy.
of the shirt.
The
Bow.
Look how good Crackles looks right now, guys.
Until the forked part of the left arm emerges on the shoulder of the shirt. Okay.
Mommy, look, he's gluing extra buttons.
Goes like this.
No,
Watch out.
look, look, look.
Okay. Slide this
Is
up.
his in this corner again? Taggy, you got your dog bone. I'm assuming the hands are next, so I'm ready.
Okay. What's he biting?
I don't know. I glue hands. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Mom, the hands are on the box when you need them. Okay, what else? We have this hand, we need to.
Alright.
Here's this one.
Yep.
Oh, a hand. Wait. Let me see. Wait. Wait, where was Crackles' hand?
The other way, I think. It might be this side. That might be this hand. Okay. Alright, so I did that.
Wait, how is this the one with this on it?
Alright, left hand goes here.
How is
Wait, what?
did we take these off?
Left hand, hold on. Yeah, this goes.
They do come off. They do come off.
Okay.
I need to
This goes here.
connect it. But I don't want to connect it.
Yeah, do the other one.
Gotta take this off.
I missed a step. I did the hand.
Okay, guys, I'm putting the hands on.
That one, that.
Okay,
Okay, now the head.
I'm gonna put the head on. Mom, isn't this supposed to tie?
Just pull it. Alright, head.
It is supposed to tie, like there.
You gotta just pull it.
Oh, what do you mean?
You gotta pull the sleeve further down to cover it. What do you mean?
And this one's covered.
Okay, head.
I have to.
Tape.
Mom, this has to go on before the head.
No, it doesn't. Not according to this.
Yeah.
That's not a good idea. Can I just do it since I'm much taller than you?
Only 1 foot more. You're 1 foot 2 inches more than me.
There's the button. How does this get up?
Crackles is up, guys. Look at him.
Connect all the available wires to their designated panels according to colors. First, ensure that the engraved arrows on both connections are aligned. Press both connectors in and securely tighten the caps.
Okay.
What that is, so let's do blue.
We're almost done, guys. Like and subscribe if you want me to get more animatronics, because I want actually a couple for my birthday. Ghostface I want, and I also want the I don't know what else I want. I want the Ghostface animatronic, or maybe Heckles I would want. There's nothing in there except for bone, guys. Okay, guys, look how good Crackles is right now. Wait, where's the sensor? Where's the sensor?
Hold on now.
This went very quick. Yeah. Mommy, is it still early in the day?
Not really. It's the afternoon.
Early evening?
No.
early afternoon.
Is it 3 o'clock or something?
No.
It's like late afternoon. Okay. Secure the sensor
Go.
coming from the function control
Oh, I
box
want to secure the sensor.
to the hole in the front of the
That's
shirt.
what I wanted to do, secure the sensor. It goes to that little
Yeah.
hole right there. That little. It's in. Yep.
Is it good? Because it doesn't seem to stick that well. Okay. The infrared sensor and the ambient sensor. Insert the fork.
Now I can high five
3
Crackles
minute
whenever I want.
What'd you say? Hit him?
High five him. Teddy, why are you trying to eat my food? Crackles is huge.
Right.
1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot.
This is actually pretty easy.
How
All right,
big is
close his
Crackles?
shirt, put the collar on, remove the tape of the face,
Oh, I removed the tape already.
and place the assembled prop with the stakes.
Mommy, I removed the tape already.
All right, we're pretty much done.
Are you scared of Crackles?
Let's try him out.
Is he
Put his
good?
collar on.
What?
You should be done. This was actually pretty easy. Let's save his stakes.
How do we get his collar?
He just goes over his head.
Wait, I need to get it.
Yeah, let me do it.
It can't fit.
Should stretch. Oh wait, does it come apart?
Oh, it does come apart.
So take this off. That goes around the front.
You do the other side.
All right.
You
Plug
got
him in.
Crackles. Crackles is done, guys. You want to see? Let's get ready to demo Crackles, guys. Let's plug it in. Plug this little Crackles, cracky Crackles in. He isn't working. I plug him in.
Wait, does anything have to be? Wait, let me make sure this is plugged in. Hold on. Did I not connect something? Oh wait,
What?
can't see.
Let me see. Let me see.
Does it have to be? Wait, I can't see what that says.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah!
He's sick.
Yes,
Let's try him again.
it's not on sensor. Hold on, that's why.
I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited. I could burst.
That should be sensor now. Yes, I think that's right.
I saved the grand finale just for you. Now try not to scream too much. Yeah.
Okay, well that is it for the animatronic Spirit Halloween Crackles unboxing. We'll see you all in our next video. Peace